Number 15, a survey was conducted to determine the food choices of the 80 students at a picnic. The types of picnic foods are shown in the circle graph. Based on the circle graph, how many more students chose pizza than students who chose salad? We're going to jump into a table here with percentages. I just like to use partial percentages so we can find out what 100%, 10%, and 1% of the total is, we can build any percentage from there. So let's look. We have 80 students at a picnic. 100% of those students is 80 students. And it just follows the pattern. So 10% of those students would be 8 students. And then 1% would be 0.8 students. So a little bit less than 1. So we can add another one in here just to use our total in here. If we know 10, then we can actually look at 5. So let's point at 5 here, because we have hamburgers and hot dogs have 5 percentage points in them. So if we know 10, we can find 5, because 5 is half of 10. So that now we know that 5% of 80 is 4. So it's just basic, easier numbers to work with than taking it to a decimal and multiplying. So now that we're looking at our question, we have a good table to work with as we go forward with our problem. So let's look at our choices here. So let's just fill up our totals in here. We can fill up our totals of how many students based on 80 chose pizza, sandwich, salad, hamburger, and hot dog. We can look from the graph. We can build them from there. We could just fill it out. So pizza, we look at pizza is 30%. So 10%. We fill those numbers in there. So now let's look. Pizza is 30%. Now let's go and figure this out. So it says how many more students chose pizza than students who chose salad. So let's solve for pizza. So pizza is 30%. And if 10% is 8, we're going to do that 3 times. And 10% you can see in our table. So if each 10% is 8, then 30%, if we add up that side of the table, needs to be 24. So now we know the pizza, there are 24 students that chose pizza. So let's do the same for salad. If we look at salad, salad is 10%. That's already in our table. So we don't even need to enter it in our table. So we know salad is 8. So how many more students chose pizza than chose salad? All we have to do is take those values and subtract them. And our correct answer is B, 16 students.